Yeah, so I just listen to some old time tunes, Champion in Action 1999, and I just say, yo, I just meditate on how Spice just come spice up the whole thing, you see me? Spice at the dance hall, because she don't want to call no queen of the dance hall, so she had the spiciest in the dance hall. You understand? See? Because Lady Saw says she love the thing, you know. Bless her with her thing, you know what I mean? She doing well, you know what I mean? She want to call Marian, you know, so bless up Marian, blessed, enough love in the name of the Lord, you understand? Because you don't know Jah Rastafari, you know? Jah is real. Yeah. So yeah, you know what I mean? But me love dancehall still, you know what I mean? He's a man, you know. Me feel say you can do everything in balance, you see me? So you just balance your thing, and your thing will nice, you see me? Because if anyone don't know about this, so go check out them old math study, some old Egyptian study about balance and things like that, you see me? The one basically where I go let you in the gate of heaven depend on whether you're good and bad is in balance when you approach that gate. That kind of philosophy, you know. But anyway, back to Spice. Spice, but you're bad. Yeah, hear me, you're bad. Because is that how me like this tune? Oh yeah, say you don't know the difference between Alkaline and them sound alike. What him name again? Me even remember what him name Master. Sorry, yeah, I'm a boss. Me listen to one of your tune and it bad still, it quang them, but can't remember your actual name. Just know say your name Alkaline sound alike, Zin. But anyway, I soon know your name and I soon do a review. And I'm disrespecting you, but I can't actually remember your name, Bridget. But yeah, back to Spice and Spice. You can mash up the dance hall, you dance at them, they're mad. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Bring back Jamaica dancehall feeling back into the music and them something. You know what I mean? Big up yourself on that. I enjoy it so much. You know what I mean? Me a boy, you know. So you don't know, even though we say Lion and King, you see me? Still like to impress them and showcase what Jamaican women can do when it comes to dance and dancehall music. You understand what I mean? Because everybody's so inspired by it. You understand? Who else should be leading it other from the people who inspire it? It makes sense. The mathematics, 1 + 1 = 2. And I'm bad at mathematics. I'm joking, man. I'm good at mathematics, guys. I pass it. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, man. Big up all the people about the world of Spice. Just because I tell you, say Spice. You know, easy, you know, virgin. Or you come quang them, so virgin. And every one of the girls want to be like Spice. Yo, sorry to all of the rest of the girls. I'm never going to mention none of the name right after Spice name. Yes, sir. Not to disrespect you. Yeah, I hear that. But big up the woman them in a dance hall. All of the empress them in a dance hall. Big up on yourself. Because I want to do an individual video upon each one. You see me? I don't want to compare and contrast the empress them. Because more empresses into the business now than ever. So I don't want to discourage that in no way. You understand? We know that Spice is the leading lady. And that's because of her works. You have to understand what I mean. Not her twerks, you know. Her works. You understand? But she put in the twerk too, you know, with the work. So you don't know. Big up yourself, Spice. Dance all hot again. And one other thing we want to cover is this. When Spice got the whole address with it, you know, the whole national upper class kind of setting. Why I want to call Spice if you don't know say Spice I go say boom, boom, boom. You don't know our thing. So you don't know. The thing turn up here, Spice. Them people are idiot. Culture. Dance all our culture. So if you are going to a cultural event and you can't do your thing as the artist that you are, I idiot them. You understand? Because Spice is necessary as the female element we pick up after Lady Song to keep dancehall really hot and patron them the kind of woman there. You know what I mean? To keep the thing hot. If you understand what I mean. So up with your thing. Out. A quick thing update about Spice. You see me? Yeah man, this one now me just drop on, you know what I mean? It's spontaneous, you know what I mean? So me dep on shit cam, you see me? You don't know shit cam, I want to say whole heap of green on my face and they take a thing there, but you don't know. And that turn up the thing in the first place, so me not leave out what I call shit cam now, you see me? So make everybody know, say if you have something to say, just put your camera to your face and say what you have to say. You see me? One life to live, say what you have to say, do what you have to do. Up, out, fantasy world, hitting them, like, subscribe, share. Remember that, comment down below, you see it? Love we say again, you see me? Out with the hate, you see me? Lyrics is lyrics, yeah? When we there dance all, who love Mavado, love Mavado. Who love Cartel, love Cartel. Remember that Cartel and Mavado respect each other, yeah? Just remember that road, alright? And likewise, and so on and so forth with everything else. Big up yourself, Spice. You're keeping it spicy, keeping it nice. Out.